Welcome, Hexter 4, Week 2. We should all be working in Week 2 of Hexter 4. And for our first assignment for the week is the discussion. Do not overlook these discussions. They are graded, okay? So very simply, for this week's discussion post, you're to find 5 elements from the periodic table that a person may find in their everyday life. Last week, I believe I had you do 1, so this time it's 5. You can go to ptable.com. ptable.com is a great resource. It's already loaded onto this site, onto this Schoology class, and that will help you identify elements that you could find in everyday life. Could be from a nutrition label, household products. Just make the periodic table come a little bit more alive to you instead of just a chart with a bunch of letters on it. And there's an assignment, and the instructions are in the discussion post. Then we get into some math work we're going to be doing. I'm not expecting you to master significant figures or scientific notation. I want you to have an idea of what it stands for, what those symbols stand for. You might already have an idea. So there's a video on significant figures right here. Okay, or here's the explanation. There's a video right here, and then there's a assignment that says, in reality, scientists use significant figures to perform complex equations that we won't be doing too much of in this class, but it is important that you know the basics. So just click open on the assignment. Lesson 2, scientific notation. Again, there's a video, and then there's a couple of short questions for scientific notation. Just remember, you look at the sign of the power. If it's like 10 to the third power or 10 to the negative third power, that's a good start. And then you just add decimals from there. So do your best on those two. Then there's a getting back into some chemistry, some of the meat of chemistry. There's some chemical bonding reading. There's a short quiz on it, and there's a periodic table review. Okay, so once you click on that, in fact, you could use this periodic table that's in this assignment. You could use that to help you with the discussion post. Okay, so quick periodic table reading. There wasn't much to it, and a short quiz. Don't forget to be working on the vocabulary from week 1. Let's go back and take a quick look at that. Week 1, review of chemistry concepts. Then in week 1, there was a vocabulary assignment. It is not due until the end of the Hexter, which is 5 more weeks. However, don't put off getting started. Here it is right here, chemistry vocabulary final. Okay, so it gives you the words themselves in here, as well as the instructions. Here's all the words, okay, and then the instructions for the assignment. Let's go back one. Hexter Long project on chemistry. Here's the instructions. So don't forget, always look at these video updates. Don't forget to be working on this vocabulary assignment, and have a great week, guys.